It's a new 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid. This Accord Hybrid offers refined elegance, technology that keeps you comfortable, connected, and safe, and amazing fuel efficiency. Your friends will be green with envy. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and LED low and high beam headlights. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.